Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute spooky set. This was a gel manicure, so I just painted over her natural nails. So I'm going to start off by pushing back her cuticles. This is going to expose any new growth and it's going to push back that skin that grows over the nail plate. Now I'm going to take a 180 grit sanding band and my Melody Susie Scarlet drill, and I'm just lightly going to remove the shine off of her nails. So I have my drill at like the lowest speed I could get it. I think it's like at 3000 RPMs, very slow. So I'm just lightly whizzing over her nails. And I did do a soak off on her the day before, so some product was still left behind. So if you guys see me going over certain places, it's because I'm just trying to get rid of that product. Now I'm taking this cuticle diamond ball bit and I'm just going around the cuticle area with this, and this is just going to help push back that cuticle even more and also like lift it up. So when I go in to cut it, it's just easier, and it's also just gonna get rid of any cuticle that is on the nail plate. And I do put my drill in reverse just because I feel like it works a lot better. Now I'm taking a cuticle nipper and I'm just cutting off that hanging cuticle. So just whatever cuticle was hanging or is like lifted. Now I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to clean off her nails. Make sure to get rid of all of that dust. And now I'm going to dehydrate her nails with the JC Beauty Concepts dehydrator. Now I'm just applying 1 coat of this. This is just going to get rid of any oil that may still be on the nail plate. And now I'm going to be priming her nails with the Not Polished XXX Bond Primer. This is going to just make your gel polish really just stick on and last a very long time. You can also use this primer with acrylics. So now I'm going to be applying the Manicure Prep-in-1, and I'm going to be using this as a base coat. And it's also going to just give the natural nails some extra strength. So now I'm going to use this rubber base coat from this brand I don't know how to pronounce, but it is in the color Cover Nude. And I'm just going to be applying this onto the pinky, the middle, and the thumb. And this is like a builder gel, so I'm kind of applying it like a builder gel because I don't want to do 2 coats because then the nails will be really thick. So I'm just applying like a thin layer, kind of like a slip layer. And then I'm going in with more product wherever I need it. So on the ring finger and the pointer finger, I'm going to be applying this black gel polish from a cart. And honestly, my application was not very neat. So I will be going in with my cleanup brush and some acetone to get rid of that gel polish I got on the skin. And then I do go in with the liner brush just to go in wherever I couldn't really reach with the application brush. And I will be applying 2 coats, and I do cure in between each coat for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be using the Baddest Black Gel Liner from Nails by Dev and the 9mm liner brush also from Nails by Dev. And I'm going to be painting on a spider web on the middle finger. So I start off by drawing some little diagonal lines starting from one corner, and then I just drag it down, and then I just do some little like upside down U's, I guess. Now I'm going to be using the Manicure white gel polish, and I'm going to be drawing on some little ghost on the pointer finger. So I'm just taking a dotting tool and I'm just doing 2 little dots, and then I just go in with my liner brush and then I just drag out the dot, and then I will be drawing on some little arms. And the liner brush that I'm using right now is from Amazon, and I will have a link down below. And now I'm taking the dotting tool again, and I'm just drawing on some little eyes and a mouth. For the ring finger, I will be drawing on some little eyes, so I'm just doing like a horizontal oval, I guess you could say. Again, I will be taking the little dotting tool and just putting some little eyes. So going back to the spider web, I'm applying this black reflective glitter, and this is from Not Polished. It is called All the Stars. I'm just going over all of the little lines that I made with this glitter. And at first I wasn't sure if I was going to do it onto all of the little lines, so that's why I was doing it like really randomly, but yeah. So on the pinky and the thumb, I'm going to be applying some of these like silver black rhinestones, and I'm going to be applying a small one and a big one, and then I'm going to be painting on some little legs since this is meant to be like a little spider. Going back to the ring finger, I'm going to be applying a reflective glitter on the little eyeballs. Yes, on some. This one is from a card and it is called Famous Friends. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the Beetles gel top coat, and I am going to apply this onto all of the nails, and then I will cure it in the lamp for 90 seconds. So this is the final result. I really like how they turned out. I think they're really cute and perfect for this spooky season. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments. I would really love to know. So I actually did film her other hand, but I posted that on TikTok. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, you guys can check out my TikTok, which is here on the screen, and also it will be linked in the description along with all of the products that I use in today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if there's like any specific videos you guys would like to see, like using certain products or a certain method or something like that. Just let me know and I will definitely do it. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.